Scott, I cannot believe this day is finally here. This dream we have dreamed of for so long is now a reality. In high school, I knew you were special, just now how special you actually were. As adults, I now see what I took for granted for all those years.
Grace, I really don't even know where to begin with writing this. We've been planning this day for over a year now, it seems like, and it's crazy to think that it's finally here.
Building a home while planning a wedding, graduating from nursing school, and starting a new job all during a pandemic stress tested every last bit of patience we had. But I knew one day all this headache would be well worth it, and here we stand today and all our dreams have came true.
There's not a doubt that after this day, we will look back and see that this was the happiest day of our lives. I'm so excited for our future and can't wait to see what it holds for us. I love you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
In just a few minutes, you and I will become husband and wife in front of all of our family and friends. I cannot put into words how excited I am to share this moment with you. Here's to margarita dates for the rest of our lives. I love you so very much and cannot wait to see how handsome you look.
Today is not the beginning of a new relationship, but the next chapter of lives together. Scott and Gracie have been together for many years. Scott was a senior in high school, picking up a sophomore and taking her to school. Now you guys will be starting a new life, but you are creating a new family. You have to know that you love each other and you're there for one another. And I know you two love each other very much. I wish you two the happiest marriage, full of joy and laughter and love for one another. Do you, Scott, take Olivia to be your lawful wedded wife? Do you, Olivia, take Scott to be your lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, and in good times and in not so good times, for richer or for poorer, keeping yourself unto her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of Virginia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Scott, you may kiss your bride.
Gracie came into the picture when I was in college and just kind of grew a relationship from there. She is the best person I've ever seen with kids in my life.
There was this one time that Grace brought Scott over when he was picking her up for school one morning, and I was sick, couldn't go to school. So he brought me a ring pop, my favorite, and a Sprite, and that's when I knew that he was a keeper. This year's been really big for them, you know, Grace graduating nursing school, Grace building a house, you know, planning a wedding. This has been such a great year for y'all. I love you so much.
I could not imagine him living anywhere else other than right across from the road from us, and we're just so thankful for that. So I love you both. I just pray that the Lord will bless you all's marriage and bless our relationship to where today is literally just the beginning and it only gets better from here. Love you all.